Adverbs. What exactly is an adverb? Simply put, an adverb is a word that modifies or adds extra meaning to a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. It gives us more detail about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Let's look at some examples to see exactly how this works. First, adverbs can modify verbs. For instance, in the sentence, "They drove carefully." Carefully tells us how they drove. Or, "She scarcely sleeps," where scarcely modifies the action of sleeping. Next, adverbs can modify adjectives to add intensity. Take a look at this. "She sang a very beautiful song." Here, very upgrades the adjective beautiful. Similarly, in "He was terribly sorry," the word terribly emphasizes just how sorry he felt. But that's not all. Adverbs can even modify other adverbs. For example, "We get to see them very often," or "Maria learns English incredibly quickly." Both very and incredibly are adverbs pushing the meaning of often and quickly even further. You will also frequently see adverbs popping up right before past participles. For example, "The meeting was very badly organized." To wrap things up, here is a list of versatile adverbs you'll encounter all the time in English. Words like anywhere, anyhow, anymore, anyplace, and anytime. We also have transition and degree adverbs like nonetheless, so enough, quite too, rather yet, already, still, even though, and as. Master these and you'll have a much better grip on how English sentences are built.